My name is 𝗧𝗦𝗔𝗧. I am studying in 9th class. Today I am going to speak very important and serious topic, that is anti-drugs, government duty and our rules. Drugs are one of the most dangerous threats to our society. It's destroyed not only the mind and body of a person, but also shelter families and communities. A silent killer that takes away from person happiness and hope. To fight against drugs, it not just individual battle, it is a national responsibility. The government support to childs and people and give awareness to them stay from drugs, and we are also said to people and help them to stay from drugs and say that and no to drugs. Every person say that only no to drugs, don't use drugs. Remember that our country future depends on its youth. It enforces. Thank you.